Welcome guys. Today I am talk about how to download video from YouTube on your mobile. It's very easy to download videos from YouTube. Before going to our video, subscribe our channel haqeeqattech and click on bell icon button. Go to YouTube and select the video you want to download. Funny videos. For example, I want to download funny videos. Just open this video, click on share and copy the link. Then close YouTube and open the Chrome browser. In search URL you write save from.net and open. When this open, enter the URL. We copy URL before, just paste here. Then open the download button for download this funny video. Click on download button. You see here download video is start. This video is starting download. It's very easy. So for more videos, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.